Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products on the market. Today, we're excited to showcase the LEISUIT Foldaway Guest Bed Cot, widely regarded as the best folding bed available. If you're looking for a practical, stylish solution for accommodating guests or maximizing space, this product could be just what you need. The LEISUIT Foldaway Guest Bed Cot is designed with versatility in mind. Measuring 75 by 31 by 14 inches, this portable folding bed can easily be set up in any room, whether it's a spare bedroom, an office, or even a living room. Its robust all-metal frame ensures durability while folding in half for easy storage. Once folded, it measures just 37 by 31 by 6.7 inches, making it compact enough to fit into tight spaces. One of the standout features of this bed is its tool-free assembly. In just a matter of minutes, you can have it ready for use. This makes it a fantastic option for unexpected guests or anyone needing a quick napping spot at the office. The convenience doesn't stop there. The LEISUIT bed is also incredibly lightweight, allowing you to move it around effortlessly. Comfort is a key aspect of any bed, and the LEISUIT does not disappoint. It comes equipped with a 3-inch thick memory foam mattress that conforms to your body for optimal support. This mattress is paired with high-density sponge for an additional layer of comfort, ensuring a good night's sleep for anyone who uses it. The dimensions of the mattress are 71 by 30 by 3 inches, which is spacious enough to accommodate most adult sleepers. What sets the LEISUIT bed apart is not just its comfort and convenience, but also its construction. The bed features high-strength Oxford cloth, which provides a more elastic and comfortable support system compared to traditional wood slats or wire mesh. This material allows the bed to bend slightly under weight, enhancing comfort without compromising support. It's recommended for users weighing no more than 300 pounds, making it suitable for a wide range of individuals. Another fantastic feature is its ease of storage. When not in use, simply fold it up and tuck it away in a closet or under a bed. This is particularly useful in smaller living spaces where every inch counts. In conclusion, the LEISUIT Foldaway Guest Bed Cot is more than just a practical sleeping solution. It's a stylish and comfortable option that suits any environment. Whether you're hosting guests, looking for an office nap solution, or need a portable bed for travel, this folding bed ticks all the boxes. If you're in the market for a foldable bed that combines comfort, style, and convenience, the LEISUIT Foldaway Guest Bed Cot deserves a spot on your list. Thank you for joining us on Product Critique. Be sure to subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the best products out there. Until next time, happy shopping.